welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm creating a cute little floral Gucci set. So I'm going to start off by painting the nails in this nude colour, which is a Mapphie gel polish, colour 022. And I'm going to be painting all the nails apart from the middle one in this colour. And as always guys, I shall do the first coat on camera and then I'll do the second coat off camera. Now I'm using Umikk's U241, which is this gorgeous baby pink. Ignore that colour underneath guys, I changed my mind. I was going to use like a glittery one, but yeah, it didn't really go with the design that I was doing, so ignore that first colour. And I'm going to be doing a stripe across this nail. I'm just going to do this with the brush out of the bottle because it was the perfect width of how I wanted it. And again, I did do 2 coats on this, but I did the second coat off camera. Now I'm going in with some Gucci stickers. And I'm going to be applying this full cover sticker to the index finger and also the pinky finger as well. Now I did find these nails were too long for these full cover stickers, so I did have to apply the top 2/3 first, and then you'll see in a minute I had to line it up and then add a bit to the bottom. So I'm just using my silicone tool here to get rid of any air bubbles so I can see, and just make sure it's completely flat to the nail. Now these stickers are quite good because they've got a little bit of stretch to them. So obviously because the nail's curved, it is quite hard to get it completely flat, but if you give them a bit of a stretch, they do fit really nicely. You can see that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to pull on it and just stretch it a little bit, and it's going to fit around that curve of the nail right there. Can you see I'm trying to pull on it really tightly, and it just fits so much better. Now I'm going to use my scissors and give it a snip, and now I'm going to line this bit up. You really have to make sure that you line this up properly or else it's going to look stupid. So I've got that where I want it. I'm going to chop that bit off, and I will come back to that once I've finished the pinky nail and I'll get rid of all that excess.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you.
Now I'm using the Makartt foil glue gel, and I'm going to apply a nice thin even coat of that on this pointer nail. Then I'm going to cure that for 45 seconds. So what I've done here is I've cut a few roses out of a foil that I've got. I just find it easier to cut them out because I didn't want them applied to the nail how they're laid out on the foil. That is why I like these clear back foil, because you can just cut out what you want to use. So I've just stuck that into that cured foil glue gel, and now I'm going to pull it off with my tweezers. And I'm going to add a couple of roses on this nail, And then I'm going to do the exact same on the pinky nail as well. So I shall let you get on and watch that bit, guys. And I shall come back in a minute.
Would it make you feel better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your songs alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So now I've got a Gucci sticker, and I just want to stick that to the middle of this pink band. And I really had to make sure that I got this dead straight. There's nothing worse than having a sticker that's bent. I hate it. And then I'm now outlining that pink band with some gold striping tape. And with this striping tape, guys, when you're cutting the excess off the sides, you want to cut it just shy of the edge of the nail. So when you come to top coat it, it's going to be encased inside the top coat. And that'll just stop them from peeling. So now I'm using the Rosalind Gem Glue, and we're going to apply some crystals. So I'm going to be doing a cuticle crown on this nail. And I'm just using clear crystals and some pink crystals. And I'm just alternating them. And as they come down the sides, they get smaller. And I'm going to do the exact same on this fingernail as well. And you'll see, once I've applied these crystals, I then just nudge them around where I want them with the metal side of the crystal picker upper. And then the Rosalind Gem Glue cures in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. So on this nail, I'm going to do a massive cuticle cluster. I'm going to start off by applying loads of gem glue here because I want this pre-made crystal cluster to stick really well. It's quite heavy, so... And now I'm going to go around the outside of this to stop it moving with some individual crystals. And again, I'm just using clear and pink crystals. Not only do they stop it moving, but they also protect it once the design's finished. It just stops things like your hair and your clothes getting caught in it and things like that. I just find when you apply these individual ones around it, it lasts for so much longer. And I found doing this, guys, curing it in sections really did help. I don't think I could have done the whole design in one go. You'll see in a minute, I did cut a lot of this out because it took me ages to do. So in a minute when it skips forward. This is where I kind of cured it from about here. But I only flash cured it for about 10 seconds and that will just hold them in place. So I found that they started to move. So yeah, just give them a flash cure when you feel like they're starting to move. And I really enjoyed doing this. Really enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit tedious and it did take me quite a while. I really enjoyed it. So I'm definitely going to be doing more crystal designs. And if there's anything that you'd like to see me doing in my videos, guys, just let me know in the comments. Because I'm always up for a challenge. I love a challenge. So yeah, if there's anything you'd like to see me doing on my channel, let me know. Nail related though, obviously, guys. I thought I better slip that in there before I get some weird messages asking me to do some random stuff. Nail related things you'd like to see me doing on my channel. So now I'm applying some teeny tiny gold caviar beads. And I'm just going to stick them in between any of the crystals where I can see little gaps. And I think these caviar beads just finish any crystal design off lovely. Really, really does finish them off nicely. So now I'm going to go in with the Born Pretty shiny top coat. And I'm going to apply that to all the nails. And that'll be them done, guys. And you'll see here what I do is I butt that top coat up to them crystals. And again, I just find it protects them. It creates kind of a barrier around the crystals. And they just seem to last so much longer when you do that. And on the middle now, you'll see I'm just going to apply a little bit of top coat with the brush out the bottle, and then I'm going to go in with my detailer brush and go around them crystals. Now I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds, and that is them all done, guys. What do you think? I think they're really cute. I really hope you like them. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.